Do you feel the vibes?
Pagani boss Horacio Pagani has confirmed that a team of 20 people are working on the hypercar manufacturer's first EV, which is due by 2025. A new model with the option of a manual gearbox is also on the horizon. In an interview with Argentinian TV company El Tres, Pagani revealed that until customer demand for internal combustion engine cars drops off, his company will still offer them, but that the brand will bring out its first EV by 2025. In addition, news site Autodata reports that Pagani is developing another model, a successor to the Huayra. This will continue to use Mercedes-AMG power, with a twin-turbo V12 that will remain petrol-only, rather than half-stepping to electrification with a hybrid. This second model will offer a choice between Pagani's current manually operated automatic gearbox and a full manual box, as a result of growing customer demand for the latter. Porsche has also bowed to customer pressure to offer a manual on its high-end models after years of offering only PDK-equipped cars. Pagani dismissed the idea of autonomous driving technologies in his cars, saying they're toys that owners drive only when they want to. Pagani has always produced one model at a time, first the Zonda and now the Huayra, but it's expected that the electric car, which will fight competition from Rimac and hypercars from more mainstream manufacturers as the industry turns to electric power, will be produced alongside the new internal combustion engine model. Pagani last year launched a restoration service for its cars and is following the model of Rolls-Royce, Porsche, McLaren, and Aston Martin by offering more bespoke options for its cars, with increasing individuality for customers and demand-driven options implemented in response to requests.